Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. Today we are going to talk about the dark web, a collection of websites that can only be accessed using specialized software like the Tor browser. Is it illegal to surf the dark web? Accessing the dark web is not illegal, but certain activities on it may be illegal. Always be aware of the laws in your country and use the dark web responsibly. Now how to access the dark web? First step is to download the Tor browser. You can download the Tor browser from the official website, which is torbrowser.org. You can search on Google Tor browser and open the first link. Now select your platform. I'm downloading it for Windows, so I'm selecting download for Windows. Click on it and it will be downloading. Once you have downloaded the Tor browser, you will need to install it on your computer. The installation process is the same as installing any other software on your computer. Still, I am showing you steps. Here, just click on yes. Now wait for a few minutes. Once the installation is complete, open the Tor browser. Now you will be prompted to configure the browser. You can choose the default setting or you can customize them according to your needs. Just click on connect. Once the browser is configured, you can now access the dark web by typing in the specific address of a website. It is usually followed by .onion. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Please keep in mind that the tutorial is provided for educational purpose only. Thank you.